Saturday, 10th of February. Apologies for the last video where I said it was the 9th and it was the 7th. It's, it's getting old. It's grey matter problems. Anyway, we're back at Lidl, do some shopping, which we haven't been here for a few weeks. And we really want Lidl to know that we love them because they've put in this rapid charger here, and living where we do, there's not many electric cars about. Not much. It's still early days for EVs here, I think. So yeah, we're plugged in at 37%. Okay, it's cheaper to charge at home, but we thought, yeah, let's just use it. We're going to be in the supermarket for about 40 minutes. So just plugged in, and it's saying it's charging at 39 kilowatts. And I'm at 37%, and it's not that cold today. It's about 10 degrees, 11 degrees. But I've never got better than 39 kilowatts on what is supposed to be a 60 kilowatt charger. Don't know why it's 60. Anyway, so we'll see how long this takes, see what it costs, but it's estimating an hour to get to 80%. That seems all wrong. I mean, the ideal, it's great having a rapid charger at a supermarket, but, the idea is that during the time you're doing your shopping, you get a week's worth of driving, which, for most people, 200 to 300 kilometres, don't do more than that in a week, most people. So anyway, just thought we'd give this another go, come back and see what state of charge we're at after whizzing round Lidl. So 37 minutes later, we've done all our shopping. We've gone from 37% to 69%. We've added 25, nearly 26 kilowatt hours, which is about enough to do 160 kilometres, just over 100 miles. The charging rate dropped right off, I don't know at what point, because we were obviously in the shop, but it started, we were at 39, I see it picked up to 40. We're now down to 24 kilowatts, so it's about right on its estimate that it would have taken an hour to get to 80%. So not exactly a week's driving, I guess, for most people, but it's a decent amount. But anyway, it's Lidl, and I guess it's a case of not a case of use it or you lose it, but if you don't use it, maybe it won't be well maintained. And this is the whole point, that this is the third time we've used the rapid charger here, and since it's been in about 4 months now, and it's worked every time, so that's one good thing. So anyway, that bit of an update there on charge while you shop. Until the next time.